Hello everyone, welcome to Porterfield Run Farm. We're just giving you a quick heads up that we're going to be at Melvin's Farm to Fork Store this Saturday from 10 a.m. until 2 p.m. They're having a fall open house, so that's going to be a pretty cool event. There's going to be other vendors there with products to sell. There's also going to be a food service there available, so make sure you bring some extra cash with you. That way you can purchase some lunch while you're there. And they're also going to be doing some farm tours out there at Melvin's Farm to Fork Store, so you can check out their operations and see what's happening. A really good opportunity. We're happy to be able to come as well. We don't really get to spend a lot of time up there, so it'd be a great opportunity for us to meet some of you guys we may not have met so far, and if nothing else, be there just to say hello and we can chit chat a little bit. Well everyone, I hope y'all can make it out there this Saturday. That'll be October 30th. Everybody'd love to see you, and we will hopefully see you there as well. Take it easy.